Hi everyone, I'm Ms. To. Let's have a summary of all the quadrilaterals that we have learned in this chapter. Can you match the names of the quadrilaterals on the left with their definitions on the right? A trapezium is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel opposite sides. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel opposite sides. A rhombus is a quadrilateral with four equal sides. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with all interior angles being right angles. And a square is a quadrilateral with four sides equal and all interior angles are right angles. We can use this diagram to group the quadrilaterals. All these shapes here have four sides, so all of them are quadrilaterals. A rhombus, a square, a rectangle, and a parallelogram all have two opposite parallel sides, so all these four shapes are parallelograms. Both the rhombus and the square has four equal sides, so both shapes are rhombuses. Both the square and the rectangle have four angles equals to 90 degrees, so both shapes are rectangles. Let's draw a table to summarize the properties of these four special quadrilaterals: parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, and square. Let's use a table to summarize the properties of these four special quadrilaterals: a parallelogram, a rhombus, a rectangle, and a square. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. The opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. As a rhombus, a rectangle, and a square are all parallelograms, they will have the properties of a parallelogram as well. All of them have opposite sides equal and parallel. All of their opposite angles are equal. All of the diagonals bisect each other. As a square is also a rhombus, they will have the same properties. They have four sides equal, their diagonals bisect the four angles, and the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. As a square is also a rectangle, they will have the same properties. All angles are right angles, and the diagonals are also equal in length. I hope this table can let you know more about the similarities and differences between these four quadrilaterals.